Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Jeevan Tech. Today's video is about about this thing about the wait, it's not focusing. Today's video is about a Snapseed, which is a professional video editor. So I'm doing this method to get the very clarity photo. So guys, so let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
Okay guys, actually this gets with the Google Play Store in Android. I don't know in iOS or everything and that. So guys, click install. I think the size will be and 22 MB. Just wait a second.
A few moments later.
This is scanning about the antivirus software which is given by Avast. So the application is safe and ready to open. So guys, the basically issue anyway to I'm taking a photo, so allow everything. So as you can see, this is very dark over here. So what shall I do means tune image. So I need to put a little bit brightness and you should adjust it. It's a couple of easy methods like a professional. So you should adjust from this, not much darker. If you put much darker, it will get more darkness here. So if you put like this, also cut somewhat lightly. If you ambition, yeah, you will get the original color, which is everything on this. So ambience also somewhat lightning enters in here. So highlights also somewhat comes. The shadows also somewhat comes. And the warm, no need to warm or cool because I need a stable one. So click OK, and as you can see, the slight relative change. If I put details, yeah, you get the exact details. If I put maximum, you get more details. Or see, as you can see, the detail is coming here. See, the details are coming here. So if I close this, we got the won't get the exact details. If I get, I am, for example, I keep a structure at 50 and the sharpening also let it be nothing. The nothing changes on the sharpening. So curvings, yeah, let's just see. The curvings are good. If I put the more brightness, we get more brightness. So let it be stable like this. Yeah, and another one is try to click on this image. Yeah, this is a Kerala's finest one garden. So this is same method I'm going to try. So let adjust the brightness, and second thing is the contrast, and third thing is the saturation. It comes the more green, and the abundance it comes a light bit green. Highlights also quite good, and shadows, yeah, as you can see, the shadows are coming from the leaf itself. See the leaf, and the warm with no need of warm it, it should come with a stable. And then let's see what happens in the details. So nothing details, no effect. If I put details, comes with the exact details, and nothing much. Okay, you can adjust the curve. Okay, let's see the curve. Some more brightness and more darkness. So let me do somewhat light. So okay, and done. Everything is done. And try this method. We get a more benefit and we can get the exact clarity. Even I am using the Redmi 5, it has 30 megapixel, but I get the less clarity itself. So guys, thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, make sure to like and share and subscribe, and if any questions, please put down comment down below, and see you next video. Bye.